Got a 2013 Toyota Corolla key fob here. We're going to replace the battery in it. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn it over. On the left side down here, there's a little slot. Hopefully you can get that on video right here, right there. You can use a flathead screwdriver. You're going to put it in here. Just give it a little bit of a twist. And it'll crack it open. Now what you want to have the buttons facing down, because once you open this remote, these buttons can fall out, okay? So you don't want them falling out, especially if you're in the car like me. But you're gonna go around here and go ahead and crack this guy open a little bit more. Take the cover off. You can even see right here, it says screwdriver to open. Screwdriver here. We're gonna take this out, okay? This is actually the key fob part of everything, the electronics part. And you don't want to lose this, okay? So we're gonna put this off to the side gently, facing down like that. Now we're gonna open this up. There are these little locking tabs that go all the way around this guy that we're gonna have to undo. So you're gonna stick your flathead screwdriver underneath it like this. And once you pop it up, you just wanna kind of pop it a little bit. You wanna kind of stick your fingernail in here and hold it open. Okay, so you're gonna go around and do that. So you wanna hold it open because as soon as you let go, it just wants to close up. So I'm gonna try to hold it open with your fingernail. You can use 2 flathead screwdrivers, but I don't have to, so we're just gonna do it like this. See how that closed on me? So it wasn't holding it good. Get my fingernail under here. Go after this one. Okay, the more you get, the easier it gets. And go after this one. Crack it open. Okay, and eventually you'll get it to come apart. Here's the battery. Just gonna slide it out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Just like this. The battery size is a CR2025. Okay, I'm gonna have this listed down below along with a link to Amazon where you can get a new battery if you want. But right here's a positive sign. It's facing out towards us, and you just slide the new one in here when you get your new one. You get your cover. Snaps together. Get your key. Put it back in here. So all the words are going to be facing the correct way when you stick this back in here. Make sure you have it in here perfectly straight, like that. And you just snap this back together, starting at the top. Work our way down and you're all done.